Hi, welcome to Math Motive. In today's session, let's discuss about percentages. So let's do 3 word problems on percentages. The first problem statement is, in a class, the girls are 60% of the total number of students and boys are 18 in number. How many students are there in the class? Find the total number of girls also. So let's look at the solution. Let the total number of students be x and the number of boys is given as 18 in number. Okay. The number of girls are 60% of the total number of students. Okay. So 60% of total number will be 0.6x plus 18 number of boys will be plus 18 number of boys, and that will be total of x, that is total number of students. So total number of girls is 60% of x, that is 60% of total number of students, and 60% of 18 is number of boys. So girls plus boys will be total number of students. Okay. So just subtract this equation, just simplify this equation. So 0.6x will go to this side of the equation and become minus 0.6x. So x minus 0.6x will be 0.4x, that is equal to 18. 0.4x is equal to 18 and x is equal to 45. Total number of students will be x is equal to 45. Number of boys plus number of girls is 18 plus g, that is 45. Now find out g. To find out g, you have to just subtract 18 from 45. So 45 minus 18 will be 27. Okay. So in the next slide, we'll look at the next problem. So now let's look at the second problem statement. A number is increased by 20% and then decreased by 20%. Find the net increased or decreased percent. So first, for this kind of problems, when you don't know the original number, when he's saying a number is increased by 20%, that means you don't know what is the number. So you just have to assume it to be 100. Okay, just assume it to be 100, and then the next step is it is increased by 20%. So if it is increased by 20%, the number becomes 120. Now how is that is 20% means 20 by 100. 20 by 100 of the original number that we have assumed is 100. So when we are saying a number is increased by 20% now that means 100 is increased by 20. 20. Okay, sorry. So the number becomes 120. Okay. Now this number he is saying it should be decreased by 20%. Now how will it decrease by 20%? So you just have to decrease this by 20%. That means so 20% of 120. You have to decrease the number by 20% of 120. So decrease 120 by 20% of 120. This will cancel out and become 5, and this will cancel out and become 24. So 120 minus 24 will be 96. Okay, this is 24, and 120 minus 24 will be 96. So the net decrease, so the number has decreased from the original, that is from 100 to 96. So the net decrease is 100 minus 96, that is 4. So that is 4%. So the net decrease will be 4%. Is 4%. Okay. Okay. So let's see the next problem in the next slide. So let's look at the final problem. The third problem. So let me read out the problem statement to you. The question is A's income is 60% more than that of B. By what percent B's income is less than A's? The solution is so now again let B's income be 100. A's income is 60% more than that of B. So let B be 100. So then A's income will be 60% more, means it will be 160. Okay. So like in the before problem, %60 more than the original number means you should do it like this. That is equal to 60. Okay. A's income will be 100 plus 60. Okay. That is 160. By what percent B's income is less than A? That means we are in the question he is already hinting. Okay, B's income is less than that of A. So that means A minus B is what you have to find out. That is 60. Okay. Now B's income is less than A's income. That is, so A minus B is equal to 60. Now he is asking, he is telling us to compare the difference with A's income. Okay. So this difference is 60. A's income is 160. So simply compare it. Okay. So 60 by 160 into 100 will give you the percentage by which the difference percentage by which B how much percent by is B's income less than A's. Okay. So that is 37.5%. Okay. Thank you. More videos coming up from Math Motive. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.